So, as you age, you get better. Sa player naman, as you age, syempre, humihina yung ano mo, no, yung katawan mo.
Nagde-depreciate
Kaya swerte kami mga coaches na mahaba yung career namin. Pero of course, meron naman downside yon. You can get fired anytime.
In time.